Welcome to Kumasi, the beating heart of Ghana's Ashanti region, and a place where ancient legacy meets vibrant urban life. Nestled in south-central Ghana, this is the city carved out of lush forest and rolling hills, designed for royalty yet bringing with modern energy. Kumasi was founded in the 1680s by Asantehene Osei Tutu I, who famously selected the land beneath a kum tree, thus naming the city under the kum tree. It became the capital of the mighty Ashanti Empire. The city rose to prominence by 1695 as the empire's center, though it endured devastation during British invasion in 1874. When parts of it, including the royal palace, were burned. Back in 1950, Kumasi's population was just under 100,000. Fast forward to 2024, it reached an approximately 3.9 million, and by 2025, projections place its metro population at 4 million, a striking 3.4% annual growth rate. This explosive urbanization has reshaped Kumasi's skyline, economy, and cultural landscape dramatically. Kumasi still houses the Ashanti and is home to the sacred golden stool, the spiritual anchor of the Ashanti people. You'll also find vibrant cultural sites like Manhia Palace, the Ashanti Cultural Center, Kejetia Market, and traditional craft villages, making Kumasi a living museum of Ashanti culture. Kumasi earned the nickname Garden City of West Africa thanks to its lush gardens, parks, and greenery. Yet rapid growth has led to 88% of its urban parks being encroached upon or resonate, leaving just 0.17 square meters of green space per person, far short of the WHO's recommended 9 square meters. But there is progress. The local government is advancing projects like the Kumasi Urban Mobility Accessibility Project, including a bus rapid transit (BRT) systems to ease congestion and improve movement across the metro. Plus, crown jewels like Kumasi City Mall and SG Mall are adding modern vibrancy to the cityscape. The Prempeh 1 International Airport, located about 6 kilometers from Kumasi, serves as the second busiest in Ghana, with over 450,000 passengers in 2024, a sign of the city's growing connectivity. Kumasi is a place where royal legacy meets urban promise. From its founding in the 17th century, through colonial disruptions, to its explosive modern growth, the city remains the soul of Ghana. As it navigates environmental pressures and infrastructural demands, Kumasi continues to evolve, remaining the garden city, cultural capital, and economic powerhouse it has long been. Thanks for touring with me through Kumasi's past, present, and future. Subscribe, like, and share, and let me know in comments if you would like to visit Kumasi.